And here is an important point. EMFs themselves are not automatically bad. They are a natural part of the world. Sunlight is a form of electromagnetic radiation. The Earth's magnetic field is an electromagnetic field. There are very low frequency pulses in the atmosphere that our biology is well adapted to. So the issue is not EMFs exist, therefore they're bad. The issue is which EMFs, at what strength, for how long, and how do those exposures differ from what our bodies evolved with. We can think in terms of native EMFs and non-native EMFs. So native EMFs are the ones we evolved with over millions of years. Things like sunlight, the Earth's electromagnetic field, those Schumann resonance frequencies in the atmosphere. These natural fields actually help regulate our body. They set our circadian rhythms, help hormones cycle properly, influence brainwaves, and support cellular energy production. Non-native EMFs are the man-made ones. Mobile phone radiation, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, Bluetooth, smart meters, baby monitors, cordless phones, computers, laptops, tablets, car electronics, and all the little power supplies in chargers, LED lights, and appliances. These are very new in evolutionary terms, and they behave very differently. They are often stronger, more erratic, more pulsed, and more constant than anything our biology has seen before. And we have only had widespread exposure to them for a few decades. If you imagine the electromagnetic spectrum as a long line, and at one end you have very low frequencies like the Earth's magnetic field and the 50 hertz power used in our UK homes, then as you move along, you have radio signals, TV signals, mobile phone signals, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then microwaves, then infrared, then visible light, what your eyes see, and then you have ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. Now, the official safety message often goes something like, everyday devices use non-ionising radiation, so they do not have enough energy to break DNA directly like X-rays do, therefore they're safe. Now, that sounds reassuring, but it only looks at one way in which EMFs might cause harm. Now, research shows that non-ionising EMFs can still affect biology in other ways. They can change how cell membranes behave. They can activate certain ion channels in cells. They can increase oxidative stress. They can influence nervous system signaling. They can disrupt hormones and sleep. You do not need to smash the DNA directly to create a problem. You can stress the symptom or the system and disrupt communication in other ways. Another thing that really matters is strength, distance, and time. How strong is the field? How close is it to your body? And how long are you exposed? A mobile phone pressed against your ear, sitting in your pocket, or resting in your bra for hours is not the same as a weak signal from several meters away. Bluetooth earbuds inside your ear canal are not the same as a Wi-Fi signal from across the room. A smartwatch strapped to your wrist all day and all night is not the same as a brief exposure to a distant signal. Exposure is about intensity, proximity, and duration. If this sparks something for you, there's a much deeper conversation in the full episode. You can watch it here on YouTube or on Spotify, or listen on Apple Podcasts. Like, subscribe, and stay connected for more.